I'm a religion teacher, but also the chair of the religion department. I teach seniors.
I also am a teacher, religion teacher at the school, as well as a dance teacher at the school, and I teach senior religion, but I also have 9th through 12th graders in dance.
We handle scripture and we handle prayer and social justice and various other courses. And what I feel that we learned this couple of days is that these women, religious, are living the life in all different aspects. And maybe I'd go so far as to say they're the experts.
It was so refreshing, so amazing for me to see a panel of all women.
Women sisters, getting to know them a little bit better, but also the brilliant people that have created this curriculum.
I'm so excited because we do have a course for seniors called Christian Vocation. So now I have some real meaty information for the section on consecration to bring women religious in.
Living the prayer life, living the life of reading scripture, living social justice. And so in every one of the courses in religion, I can see that we can put pieces.
It's not going to be limited to my religion class. I intend on having my dance students research a woman religious, and we're going to use that as inspiration to create a dance. It was very empowering. Women strong.
Yeah.